browsing through many paintings on her laptop. Stares at the monitor as she continues to click from image to image. She clicks on another image. It's Sir Edward Burne-Jones' demo home and Phyllis. Matt glimpses at the image without taking his eyes off woman. Rests his hand on woman's, trying to make her turn off the computer. She pushes him away. Woman clicks on the next image and looks at it with great intensity.
Woman, I used to look at the paintings with a magnifying glass, and now I'm just zoom in. People, heroes, and me among them. Ordinary people, heroes, and me among them.
Nah, the director wanted it to be more like flowing.
People, heroes, and me among them.
That's not flowing.
People, heroes, and me among them. Laddie. No, I'm joking. Okay. People, heroes, and me among them. I would stare at the computer with great intensity. Is this someone's past? Or is it just a memory? It's all one endless present.
Matt takes the bottle of Benedictine, pours some of it.
Not like this, like it is a real one.
Ah,
Red.
okay, right, okay.
Big one.
Okay, and the glass? What kind of glass is it?
Maybe a small
No,
kettle. Yeah.
not like cognac or something?
Like a real liquor glass, small.
Ah, okay, good. Yeah, I get it. Benedictine. My grand-grandfather brought from his captivity in Sicily, bottle of Benedictine and a camera. I don't remember his face, only the huge painting opposite his bed. Apollo with his heart burning, pierced by arrows, chasing Daphne. When he died, my mom moved the painting, put it next to the cupboard with the red glasses. She loved everything red.
Woman, red is beautiful. Actually, the author told us that in the past, the meaning of the word red was beautiful. But we'll write this in the brochure.
What was the last?
Red is beautiful.
Yeah, she loved everything beautiful. That's why she hated me.
Don't start again.
Well, everything was red. The sofa was red, the curtains were red, and she moved them with this horrible sound, and
Our sofa was also red. I used to lay down and cry. The kids in the backyard used to tease me ruthlessly. One day it was hailing and the hail entered through the window. I didn't stand up to close the window. They found me freezing in my father's armchair. Daddy was writing then the book, his book of the earthly roots of religion. Quickly, because he was afraid that the pain will start again. He was able to catch any change in the atmospheric pressure. He was able to read my thoughts and express them out loud. But it all stopped when he saw the photo.
the photo
The photo?
from the summer camp
My photo.
with your two classmates that you harness them and have the whip in your hand. If you go to a woman, don't forget the whip.
No.
Nietzsche.
No, my father didn't think of Nietzsche and his beloved Lou because he was very angry. But actually, the story of a woman with a whip is much older. I found it in one of my father's books. It's not about Nietzsche. Copy-paste. All the history of art is based on copy-paste. It's not about Nietzsche at all. Phyllis the courtesan.
She's not beautiful or something.
A woman convinced in her beauty can convince anyone else in it. Phyllis loved to dance. She was dancing until her body dropped to the ground like an overripe fruit. Alexander the Great was hugging her, and the catch of his thighs got tighter until the moans of Phyllis became a song. A song.
Well, this is definitely not Alexander the Great.
This is Aristotle. He was alone with Phyllis one day, and then he said, Phyllis, why don't you leave Alexander the Great? And she said, okay, but under one condition, the philosopher to let her straddle him. Then enter Alexander the Great, saw his favorite teacher straddled by Phyllis, and from then on, the Hetaira totally disappeared from the story. But Alexander the Great continued to dream of her.
I don't think so.
This is the dance genre.
He didn't care about these carnal pleasures. Like you. He got excited only by the battles.
The battles or the bottles?
Both, I guess.
Bottles. The Benedictine is exquisitely sweet.
Like you. It's a secret recipe, and the secret life always attracted you.
What do you mean?
Just what I said. Ah, ah, ah.
You didn't finish.
For the great values, here's to them from.
It wasn't a failure.
Oh, well, it was exactly the
I heard the recording.
Well, it doesn't matter.
It does matter.
Doesn't matter. Matter. Ha! 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 Oh! Oh! Tomorrow morning, are you coming with me?
I saw a man with a hat. He appeared to me and said, "Don't go to him, Phyllis. Don't turn him into an enemy."
Come with me, Phyllis. Follow me, you'll be happy.
I love him.
You love his music.
He loves me too.
No, you're lying. He doesn't love anyone. He sings like a stiff.
This is because of the trauma.
You're not happy with him.
I'm not unhappy.
You're not happy with him.
I'm not unhappy.
You're not happy with him.
I'm not unhappy.
is when I saw you for the first time, with the black coat and the black hat with wings. It was a scarf sewed to the hat so my ears wouldn't freeze. The hat was French.
This is my favorite line, Joe.
This is your favorite?
Yes, because it has an image.
You've read whole play, and this is your favorite?
No, listen, you can remember this image. You can remember that
she has a scarf.
It's somehow touching, it's visible, tangible.
A scarf.
A scarf, yeah, it's like you or a man and a woman were together and all he remembers after that night together was that there were crumbs in the bed because he ate biscuits the night before.
No, that means he's a pig.
No,
it's like he's romantic or something.
Our extraordinary day.
She has a scarf.
You've never
It's a
understood me.
No, never.
You have never. Copy-paste. All our feelings are just copy-paste.
All our feelings are just copy-paste.
Or
Wow.
even our feelings.
Wow.
There is
That
a mistake.
was
Even
beautiful.
our feelings are just okay. Yeah, watch.
Even our feelings are
It
copy-paste.
means that
But it's amazing as a scarf.
It means that contemporary man, we people live in such a crazy, fast, noisy world that we're connected to all sorts of different information sources. We don't have the resource, the capacity, the tranquility, the sensitivity to feel real feelings,
Why?
to be the authors of our original feelings.
Why have to be original? The feelings are feelings. You tell them all now.
You loved once in your life, and
Okay.
now you're trying to copy this love, to actually excite yourself to the level where you will be able to feel again these things. You never feel it.
always the only feeling is always the first feeling.
Yes,
Really?
and we more and more copy things. Like you buy an SMS. I love SMS, and you send it to your loved one.
That means you're clumsy and you have no imagination. It doesn't mean you don't feel
You don't
something.
have time and capacity to write your own SMS, and it means also that you live in your house, you have the same bed, the same shit.
Yeah.
And only the women change. It's like
That makes me a pig
It's-
again.
No.
You like pigs, you
No,
know,
I
man.
don't like them. I'm not judging. I'm just saying that this is the situation in the world right now.
I don't understand you.
Okay,
I
I
don't
know, but let's go on.
Let's go.
It's not a big deal.
You're just like my sister.
I didn't burn your hands.
She never admitted it.
She never admitted to herself.
She was one thing with the violence. She was practicing 10 hours a day. Still, I was better. It was in the winter. It was cold outside. Inside was so warm. The stove was full of wood. There were sparkles. And then my sister jumps, pushes me, and I put my hands on the stove. I burned them. Everybody started shouting. They put some lard on them, some baking soda, some fresh towels. But my sister, she got scared to death. She She locked herself in her room, didn't show her face till the evening.
If you didn't burn your hands, you wouldn't have not started singing.
Before I started to sing, the world was vertical, to big old people. Then it became flat, merged with the horizon, and I merged with that picture. Come with me. Let's go to some other city. We'll eat chocolate ice cream.
You said, I'll go to another
I'll
land.
go to another land. I'll find another city better than this one. Here, every effort I do is doomed before it even started. My heart is like a corpse, dead and buried. Here, wherever I look, whatever I see, I only see the black ruins of my life. That all those years I've lost and wasted.
You will not find another land. You will not find another sea. The city will follow you. You will roam the same street. You get old in the same neighborhoods. You roam pray in the same houses. This city will go after you. Find another land.
I'll
You will
go
not
somewhere
find
else. I'll find another land. I'll find another city. I'll find another city better than this one. Here, every effort I do is doomed before it even started. My heart is like a corpse, dead and buried.
I hate chocolate ice cream. I hate conversations about feelings.
We grow old when we forget about the feelings.
It's over.
It's over. I don't sing. It's been 6 months that I don't. I put on my stage costume, I have a cigar, have some liquor, sit down on a deep couch and try to think about nothing. The directors, they don't understand the music. All they care about are the notes. All you have to do is read the stupid notes. They just don't. I'm singing about my passionate love. He makes me clean the revolver. The tempos of the orchestra, whether fast or slow, doesn't matter. The conductor doesn't matter. As long as I read as long as I clean the stupid revolver. I can't sleep without pills, like my sister. She never showed her face out. She stopped playing. She got fat. I can still see the doctor making her drink coffee after coffee after coffee just to make her stay awake after she took the pills. You know, a lady, she told me her girlfriend that became twice as fat because her mother died and she didn't call 911 because she had to finish her sandwich. She had a sandwich prepared and her mother felt sick, asked her to call 911 and she decided first to finish the sandwich. Come with me. Trust me. Follow me. Remember that you love me.
I knew that you were going to come back.
I want to marry you.
I don't know.
Who knows? Who knows? Remember that you love me. You always love me.
Let me
Lay down. Lay down.
go.
Trust me. Follow me.
Go.
Come with me.
Did I overact it?
No. It was good. I didn't hurt your hands or something.
No.
No?